there, future cruise adventurers. Thinking about setting sail on your very first cruise? Well, you're in the right place. I've got the expert tips to help you master your cruise vacation and make it the trip of a lifetime. So let's dive right in. First things first, choose the right cruise line for you. Not all cruises are created equal. Some are perfect for families with kids, while others cater to couples or solo travelers. Do a little research, read some reviews, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Next up, let's talk packing. Don't overpack. I know, it's tempting to bring your entire wardrobe. But trust me, you won't need it. Pack versatile clothing, think layers, and don't forget a swimsuit and formal wear for those fancy dinner nights. Oh, and a power strip can be a lifesaver for all your gadgets. Now here's a golden tip. Book your shore excursions early. These tend to fill up fast, and you don't want to miss out on exploring those beautiful ports of call. Whether it's snorkeling in crystal clear waters or exploring ancient ruins, planning ahead will ensure you get the most out of each stop. Speaking of planning, make your reservations for specialty dining and onboard activities as soon as you can. Many cruises have incredible restaurants and shows that require reservations. You don't want to miss that once-in-a-lifetime dining experience or Broadway-style show, right? All right, let's talk about money. Cruises are mostly all-inclusive, but there are still some extra costs you need to be aware of. Think about drinks, gratuities, and those irresistible souvenirs. Set a budget and stick to it, so you're not hit with a surprise bill at the end. Here's another pro tip. Use the ship's app. Most modern cruise ships have an app that includes daily schedules, a map of the ship, and even a chat feature to stay in touch with your travel buddies. It's a game changer. Now, some of you might worry about seasickness. Don't fret. Bring some seasickness remedies like ginger candies or acupressure wristbands. And try to book a cabin mid-ship where there's less motion. Last but not least, relax and have fun. It's easy to get caught up in the planning and logistics, but remember, this is your vacation. Take time to soak in the sun, enjoy the ocean breeze, and make unforgettable memories. All right, future cruisers, you're all set. With these tips, you'll be cruising like a pro in no time. Bon voyage! Make sure to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more travel advice. See you on the high seas!